Hello everybody, happy Tuesday. I was just about to say good morning, but it really isn't. It is the afternoon here. So it's Tuesday before Thanksgiving, and I wanted to show you these sweet potatoes. This is the tail of the sweet potatoes. They look similar because they are. The ones on the left are slightly dusty. I haven't washed them off. I was letting them cure. So the ones on the right are the same kind. They are the Japanese Murasaki, and I'm probably butchering that, but it just means purple, and they are Japanese purple sweet potatoes. They have a white flesh, purple skin, and as I said, they are both the same. However, the two sweet potatoes on the right, you can see they've got a store tag on. That is 3 pounds of store-bought Japanese purple sweet potatoes. The ones on the left are the ones I grew. That was 5 pounds and a quarter pound, maybe, yeah, 3-4 ounces. And I got these at the local grocery store. Now, they weren't Sprouts Organic Market or Whole Paycheck. However, the brand that was selling these is Melissa's, which is an organic produce. I'm sure everybody is familiar with them. The local store had them right next to the regular orange flesh sweet potatoes that you see everywhere. I happen to like these, and they grow really well for me. So I picked up these two, and I was thinking, well, I'm just going to add to my rootstock. The ones that I grew came from store-bought sweet potatoes probably about 4 years ago. So the ones on the left basically cost me nothing. The ones on the right, I have the receipt right here. 3 pounds, $3.49 a pound. So those bad boys cost me $10.26. I was a little shocked, had sticker shock at the register, but I went ahead and bought them because, as I said, I wanted a little bit more newer rootstock, and eventually I'm sure these will produce for me as well as these other ones did. So I'm looking to multiply these into, over the next several years into more and more sweet potatoes. Last year, if you go back at the same time when I harvested my sweet potatoes in November of 2024, I had 29 pounds of these Japanese sweet potatoes, and they came from 4 sweet potatoes. I mean, they were like baby size. So, like I said, they do really well. I grow them in tubs that I have amended the soil. It's very nice and loose, and so basically they will grow. And this year, though, I'm actually surprised that I got these 5 pounds of sweet potatoes because I did nothing. I grew the slips, I put them in the bucket, and just the fact that I really did not do anything in my garden. It was kind of like a rest year, a Shemitah year for me unintentionally, but I did nothing. I just let the rain water them. I may have put maybe 6 gallons of water over the entire growing season into those 2 buckets. So I am totally pleased with the harvest that I had. So these are, I'm going to be making mashed sweet potatoes out of these. And check over on my community posts because I will be posting the recipes for my turkey brine My turkey breast is brining already. I just did that this morning. So almost everything I'm making for Thanksgiving is out of my pantry. The only thing that we bought, my brother bought the turkey breast, and then I bought these sweet potatoes, but kind of really not counting them into the cost of this Thanksgiving, because this is basically going to be my seed stock. So I hope everyone is having a great day. If you like this video, yes, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I am trying to grow my channel, and I'll be doing some more and different videos over this winter. I am starting a resale shop on a couple of different platforms. I still have to see what I want to list on which one, like, you know, the different selling platforms. But I hope everyone is having a great week. I hope you have a great Thanksgiving. Be well, be safe, and God bless.